In silence of the night, I feel your presence near. Your love surrounds me, a whisper in my ear. Like a gentle breeze, you soothe my troubled soul. You're the missing piece that makes me whole. Your eyes sparkle like stars in the sky above. Your smile shines brighter than the sun's warm love. In your arms I find my sanctuary, a place where I am loved unconditionally. With every beat of my heart, I think of you. In a world so chaotic, your love rings true. You're the melody to my heart's song. Together we belong, two souls forever strong. Through highs and lows we'll face it all, bound by love that will never fall. You're enfolding, your embrace, I find my home. Together, forever, never to roll. So here's my heart in words unsaid, to the one I love, my forever ahead. In your arms I find my peace, a love so pure, a love that will never cease. Your love rings true. In illness of the night, our love shines so bright, like a melody softly playing, our hearts ignite. You're the rhythm to my rhyme, the reason why I smile. In your arms I find solace, even in the trials. Your eyes, a reflection of the stars above. In your embrace I find peace and love. Every heartbeat sings your name. In this eternal dance, our souls aflame. With every breath I whisper words of devotion. In your presence I feel a deep emotion. Together we paint a canvas filled with grace. In your love I find a sacred place. Through the laughter and the tears we share, in your arms I know that I belong. I care. As the world spins and time flies by, with you my love forever I'll be by. In the symphony of love, you are my favorite tune. Forever and always under the same moon. Hand in hand we'll face whatever comes our way. In this love song we write every single. In the illness of the night, our love shines so bright, like a melody softly playing, our hearts ignite. You're the rhythm to my rhyme, the reason why I smile. In your arms I find solace, even in the trials. Your eyes a reflection of the stars above. In your embrace I find peace and love. Every heartbeat sings your name. Every heartbeat sings your name. In this eternal dance our souls are flame. With every breath I whisper words of devotion. In your presence I feel as we share in your arms. I know that I belong, I care. As the world spins and time flies by, with you, my love, forever I'll be by. In the symphony of love, you are my favorite tune, forever and always. Under the same moon, hand in hand, we face whatever comes our way. In this love song we write every single day. Hand in hand we'll face whatever comes our way. In this love song, quiet of the night, our love fills the air like a melody so sweet and rare. You're the light in my darkness, the warmth in my cold. In your arms my heart finds its home to hold every moment with you, like a dance in the rain. Our love, a symphony without any frame. Your eyes like diamonds shining bright. With you by my side, everything feels just right. Through the ups and downs we stand hand in hand. Together we'll conquer across seas and land. You're my sun in the morning, my moon at night. With you, my love. So here's my song, a testament to our love, like a soaring eagle reaching heights above, forever and always. You're my guiding star. In this journey of love, no matter how far we ride, it's holy written in the sky. A love so pure it'll never die. With you, my dear, my soul feels complete. In your arms, my love, I find my eternal sea. Your love, a story written in the sky. A love so pure it'll never die. With you, in quiet of the night, our love fills the air like a melody so sweet and rare. You're the light in my darkness, the warmth in my cold. In your arms my heart finds its home to hold every moment with you, like a dance in the rain. Our love, a symphony without any refrain. Your eyes like diamonds shining bright. With you by my side, everything feels just right. Through the ups and downs we'll stand hand in hand. Together we'll conquer across seas and land. You're my sun in the morning, my moon at night. With you, my love, everything feels so right. So here's my song, testament to our love, like a soaring eagle reaching heights above, forever and always. You're my guiding star in this journey of love, no matter how far. You and I, a story written in the sky. A love so pure it'll never die. With you, my dear, my soul feels complete. In your arms, my love, I find my eternal sea. In silence of the night, I feel your presence near. Your love surrounds me, a whisper in my ear. Like a gentle breeze, you soothe my troubled soul. You're the missing piece that makes me whole. Your eyes sparkle like stars in the sky above. Your smile shines brighter than the sun's warm love. In your arms I find my sanctuary, a place where I am loved unconditionally. With every beat of my heart, I think of you. in words unsaid. To the one I love, my forever ahead. In your arms I find my peace. A love so pure, a love that will never cease. Your love rings true. In the stillness of the night, our love shines so bright, like a melody softly playing, our hearts ignite. You're the rhythm to my rhyme, the reason why I smile. In your arms I find solace, even in the trials. Your eyes, a reflection of the stars above. In your embrace I find peace and love. Every heartbeat sings your name. In this eternal dance, our souls aflame. With every breath I whisper words of devotion. In your presence I feel a deep emotion. Together we paint a canvas filled with grace. In your love I find a sacred place. Through the laughter and the tears we share. In your arms I know that I belong. I care. As the world spins and time flies by, with you my love forever I'll be by. In the symphony of love, you are my favorite tune. Forever and always under the same moon. Hand in hand we'll face whatever comes our way. In this love song we write every single. In the illness of the night, our love shines so bright, like a melody softly playing, our hearts ignite. You're the rhythm to my rhyme, the reason why I smile. In your arms I find solace, even in the trials. Your eyes a reflection of the stars above. In your embrace I find peace and love. Every heartbeat sings your name. Every heartbeat sings your name. In this eternal dance our souls are aflame. With every breath